Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is Oppo F9 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set fingerprint in Oppo F9 smartphone. First of all, go to the settings in your phone and select fingerprint, face and passcode. Now click on fingerprint. Now enter your pattern if you are set. Now click on add a fingerprint. Now you go to place any one of your fingers on the back side of your phone, that is on the scanner. You go to place your finger, just place it multiple times. Press continue. Press continue, and yes, your fingerprint has been added. You can also add several more fingers. Just I add another finger. So in this way you can add several more fingers. Now check whether the added fingerprint is working or not. Yes, it's working very fine. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.